What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I've got a quick video for you guys regarding the stud finder that I use, because I've had a lot of comments and questions regarding which one I use. A lot of stud finders out there simply don't find studs, and this one here fortunately does. It's very, very accurate, very simple to use. This one here is from Franklin. It's called the T13. I think it retails about $100 here in Australia. In America, it's about $55. It can sense up to a depth of 1.7 inches, which is about 4.3 centimeters. So it's got decent thickness on it. But the best thing about it is that it's got 13 sensors on the front here, or on the back, sorry. It's got 13 built-in sensors, and that's probably the biggest thing that differentiates this from all the other competitors out there that won't find what they're looking for. They've only got 1 or 2, 3 sensors. This one here's got 13. It's got 13 LED lights on top as well. And you can see there, it lights up as something is behind it. Now this one here has a built-in spirit level bubble, AA batteries, and we've also got a built-in pencil, which is super handy, but I've never actually used it over the past 4 years, so it simply slides in the side there. I'll show you guys quickly on a little dummy setup that I've got here, just how accurate this is. But if you want a stud finder that's actually gonna find studs and not gonna give you a hard time, which a lot of them in the past have, make sure you check out the Franklin stud finders. So I'm going to quickly show you guys. I'll bring you in a bit closer and test it out on this little wall that we've got here. So I've got here a timber stud, we've got a metal stud, and we've got 10mm plasterboard over the top. Now this one here does locate both timber and metal, or timber and metal, but it doesn't differentiate between the two. So it won't tell you which one's metal, which one's timber. To me, at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter, because 95% of them in Australia anyway are going to be timber. But all you have to do, no calibration, no anything, you just simply put it on the wall, press the button, hold it down, and then just pan across. And you can see there, instantly we've picked up the edge of our metal stud, and as we pan across, you can see there the bars will light up. So it's got 3 bars right here. Keep panning across and you can see just how accurate this is. We come across to the timber one and it does exactly the same. It picks up the edges perfectly right there. So if I did want to use that pencil that I've never used in here, pull that one there out, scan it across, it lights up there. We've got 3 bars lit up, so we know this is the edge right here, and I can drill anywhere in between. So that one there would be perfect, nice and easy, simply using a pencil. Now what I like about this as well is the depth. So we've got here, I think it was 1.7 inches or 4.3 centimeters. So that means if you've got thicker drywall, thicker plasterboard, whatever it is, we've got 2 sheets here, so that's down to 20mm now. Pan across over the top once again. You can see there, it picks it up perfectly. We'll scan it across over to the metal as well. And you can see there, it works perfectly well, even with thicker materials. So whether you've got double plasterboard or you've got 13mm or whatever it is that you've got up to that thickness, it's going to work perfect. Even on cement board, believe it or not, it still picks up perfectly as well. Cement board picked up there nicely. Put the cement board straight on top of our plasterboard. Once again, that picks it up perfectly. One thing I do want to test out is they have another larger model, which is obviously more expensive, but it has a bigger depth range. So the reason why I want that is apparently it can see or detect the studs behind tiles. So if you've got a tiled bathroom wall and you're trying to find the studs, this one here may pick it up, but because of the depth range that we've got, or the limited depth range that we've got on this one here, it might not pick it up, or it might give me issues. So I'm tempted to test that one there out. So apart from being very accurate, the best thing about this is these little LED lights here. It gives you a very good reference as to what's behind the wall and the exact edges of it. Even if I take this scrap piece of timber here, lay it flat behind, we've got here 3 bars that light up on our stud when it's sitting the right way. If we lay it flat, you can see there we've got almost 1, 2, 3, there we go, 6. So we've got 6 bars lit up there, perfectly on the edge, nice and simple, nice and easy. This one here is a definitely must-have stud finder, nice and simple. Not that expensive, but it actually works. So definitely worth spending the money on something that works than something that doesn't. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. You've learned something new. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.